In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to invite other users to projects in Zoho. We'll walk through the process step by step using the latest Zoho Projects interface, so you can confidently bring teammates, clients, or collaborators into your projects with the right level of access. First, make sure you're logged into your Zoho account and you're on the main Zoho Projects dashboard. On the left-hand side, you'll see a sidebar with different options. Look for the option labeled Projects and click on it. This will show you a list of all the projects you have access to. From here, go ahead and open the specific project where you want to invite new users. Just click on the project name to enter that project's workspace. Once you're inside the project, you'll notice a navigation bar running across the top of the page. Among the different tabs there, find and click on the one labeled Users. This section is where you manage everyone who has access to this particular project, along with their roles and permissions. It's a good place to quickly review who's already part of the project before you add anyone new. Now, in the Users section, look toward the top right corner of the screen for a button that says Add User. Go ahead and click that. This will open a form or pop-up window where you can enter the details of the person you're inviting. In this form, you'll need to type the user's email address. Make sure you enter it carefully, because Zoho will use this address to send the invitation. Below or next to the email field, you'll see options to select a role or profile for this user. Roles control what the person can see and do inside the project. For example, you might choose a more restricted role for a client who only needs to view progress, and a more powerful role for a team member who needs to edit tasks or manage deadlines. Take a moment to choose the role that best matches what this person needs to do. After you've entered the email address and selected the appropriate role or profile, review the information briefly to make sure everything looks correct. When you're ready, click the Add button. Zoho will then send an invitation to that email address, and once the user accepts, they'll be added to your project with the permissions you selected.